Welcome back, guys. In today's video we will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11. So let's get started. Fix number 1, disable sound enhancement. Click on the search bar, type mmsys.cpl in the search bar at the bottom of your screen and press enter. This will open the sound settings window. In the playback tab, find your Bluetooth device, right click on the device and select it properties. Go to the advanced or enhancement tab and check the disable all the enhancement option, then click apply and OK. If this step doesn't fix the issue, move on to the next step. Fix number 2, change Bluetooth service setting. Type control panel in the search bar and open it. Click on the view by and set it to category, and then click on hardware and sound. Then go to device and printers. For Windows 11, scroll down under the devices option, click on more device and printer settings. Right click on your Bluetooth device and go to properties. Click on the services tab and uncheck the remotely control device option, then click apply. And that's it. This may fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.